Double Diamond Railroad back with a Do Not Hump Wednesday. Got a bunch of switching here to do. Metalworks and the Woods Brothers lumber. And I was going to do something else with a switcher there, but we won't have time. So let's get this going. Check my switches again some more. Messing around with some things back there. Oh, I just killed the engine. Started on something, I killed it. I was back there in the back. There was a cobweb on one of the cars, and I found a dead ladybug. Had to vac all that up. I still got a car back there to spot. They came off when I was doing work. Little trailing 40-foot intermodal. Okay, here we go. Well, and I'll stop here and show you. Did a lot of work. I'm filming this Tuesday night. Show you, we did a lot of work this afternoon. Had my wife down here too. And this thing was really getting chewed up. I put it in my foam tray to hold it to change that coupler, which I did. I removed the front coupler and it looked good. So I put it on the back. And you can see now it has more of a shorter shank. Looks more normal. Seems to be pretty good. It was tight at first. I loosened the screw. Now it works good. And then I took another one I had on a bench, put on the front. It's so-so. It sprung to one side a little bit. I don't ever use that. But the railing got crushed. The front rails got crushed and were bent all the way back. About 4 legs broke off. And the horns broke off the top of the roof. And I don't know why, but I noticed this. I can't zoom anymore. Right there on top, we got a PTC antenna up there now. I have other ones to put on. So the horns off the roof is down here on the body, right above the S. Drill a little hole there and put them back there where they're putting them down, farther back. It's only a 3-chime. I have some 5-chimers, like brass, I want to put on, and get those Wabtec and other PTC antennas on some other cabs tops. Okay, we'll back out here and let's roll. Enough of that. So hopefully we can stay together. It came apart once. I checked the height with the gauges. And they are so close up and down. They shouldn't come apart, but that front coupler on the second engine, he's susceptible. He opens up sometimes. Okay, I'm going too far again. Here we go. Forgetting about a car. Let's bring him back. Yeah, wait. I got to throw a switch first. That's why it's not working. Okay, hopefully this will take us where I want to go. Seems like it's running way faster now that I fixed that engine right there, 44, 42. He's no longer dead. They're flowing big time. Smooth. I think they're running too fast now. He's doing all that work, 2 of them pushing, 1 dead. So here's something else we did. Can't see it yet. A yellow boxcar. Now I probably recouple. Had to pull up. I don't want all those cars. Only want the yellow one. Yep, he coupled. Stand by. Okay. This is, we get them out here in the open. This is one I had. This had the end of train marker on it, but it was having mechanical issues. Dragging the wheels really bad, causing derailments. That was on the end of the train last week when I couldn't push it up the hill. So we put it on the bench. We tried to change trucks and stuff, and a pin broke off inside the metal body. I had to drill that out. That was last night. I had to drill it out today. Reamed it out with 4 different bits, got it good. Finally found a pin that would fit in there and ended up super gluing it in. Couldn't get it to stay. Found a set of trucks. The back ones are brown, front ones are black. But we'll fix that with paint. So got metal wheels on it, the new Fox Valley model wheels, 36-inch. So he'll roll good. So we put him in service. He's got a load of drywall. Going to the lumber. Now these guys got to add momentum. They keep taking off really quick. I think it's ignoring me. Okay, right there, we'll throw the switch, go up on the main. There, momentum 5 is a little better. No, momentum 6. If I put 7 in, it might be more real. Gotta catch up to him. So we're gonna come into lumber first. I hope I got switches right. Drop this load of drywall. Yes, he's on the right track. On the right track. That thing rolls good now. Best it's ever run. You can go ahead and couple him. I think I just derailed the one at the end. Hit him too hard. Not sure he was on anyway back there. Okay, let's cut him loose. Okay, we'll throw the switch back here. Go into Metalworks. This enabled us to test the coupler, the car wheels, and all the solder joints that we did today. In this case, when you see it, what we did yesterday. Oh, we're there. Boom. Right there. You can see that car back behind the building. Okay, we'll see if we can get him hooked up. That's on a curve, kind of tough. Just like I watched in Waupaca, Wisconsin, doing the same thing. Stretch them out. Yeah, what we're doing here, there's an empty in the barn, and we're pulling him because we need to get the other. Oh, you're going to hear noise upstairs now. Wife just came back. Thought I'd beat her. I'll show you here in a minute what they have to do. And a bunch of trained alerts covering up my screen. So he's got to pull out, clear this switch. Good grief, I swear the YouTube batches alerts. Okay. Now we're going to throw that switch and back in. We'll pull out and show you what's going on. So we've got a finished load of pipe. It's been sandblasted and painted. Now we've got two new ones here that are rusty and got to be redone. They got to go in the building so they can work on those one at a time. So we're going to back up and pick those up. That's the plan. Stop there because I can't see right now. Slow him down. He's right there. That's it. Oh, don't couple back there. I hope we didn't. I'll make extra work. Pulling ahead. See, we got him too. No, we didn't couple at all. Get him close, help him out. Right there. Had to go check on him. Okay, that figures that time it coupled, but it also shoved back and coupled to the finished car. Okay, we'll get out here and go spot these. It's interesting. I see this, I live right next to a sandblasting outfit and painting. I see this stuff going on. They were out there doing it outside today. I hate that. I don't think it should be legally, probably can't do it. EPA thing. You gotta watch, keep your door shut and everything. Okay, throw a switch. So now we're going down the other track into the building. Should have got you closer and up higher, but I like seeing the view from the side. Almost fooled myself. Thought we were taking the wrong track. We're good. I'm gonna go right in that building. You better slow down too. You don't want us speeding and crashing into their building. In he goes to the sandblasting process and a painting after that. Then he'll have to be pulled out, spot him on the other track. There it stops. After they're done, come back and switch that. Put him on the finished track. Yeah, let's see how we look. That's all we plan to do. Boy, I'm running into everything today. Wobbling, fall. I've been down here a lot. Falling all over myself. Tripping on a tripod, all kinds of stuff. Okay, so we can uncouple right at the engine. Leave that string there. It's their own deal, so it's not going to hurt to leave it there. We'll go ahead and send it back to the yard. Can't get to the new pipe car. No need to get it until they finish the other ones. I have to move the fuel truck. We can't get fuel there. Throw a switch. This is the speed button there. Going too fast. Skipped over it. We'll send the fuel truck over to them. There you have it. Next time he's getting fueled up, send the switcher back home to the concrete plant. He'll have a session over there to do. Okay, it served the lumber yard and lumber distributor and metalworks, keeping stuff flowing. But they haven't been able to make concrete because we've been working over here so much. Next up too, we're going to be spray painting the track. Since I got all the solders on, they seem to work. Okay guys, thanks a lot for watching. Take care, God bless, have a great week. What's left, enjoy your weekend coming up. Go to Bob's for a Coney. Double Diamond Railroad, out.